This is Papa Ron of Papa's page. I'm coming to you from ET camp. Today we're going to try to make popcorn. And when you're out camping, I've found like 3 different types of popcorn in the store. The first would be microwave type popcorn that you can microwave. That is, if you have a microwave out at your camp. Next would be Jiffy Pop. Jiffy Pop's been around since I was a kid, and it works great as long as you don't burn it. And the third type is bulk popcorn or loose popcorn. Today we're going to try to make the loose popcorn. Today we're using 1/3 of a cup of popcorn and a shot glass full of canola oil. And a 2-quart pot. Okay, we're going to start the stove. Pot on the burner, take the lid off. Pour in a couple ounces of oil. Let it heat a little bit. Put a pair of gloves on for hand protection. And pour the popcorn in. Now we're waiting for the first signs that it's going to begin to pop. Starting to hear it. So we start shaking it around a little bit. Let a little bit of steam out. And there we have it, popcorn. Got a little bit of salt to put on it. There we have it. Camp popcorn. And yes, it's as good as it looks. This video is for Lizzie. She loves popcorn. And because of the COVID-19, we're on lockdown and she can't come over and visit me with me and share it with me. So we'll have to do it through the internet. Thank you for watching.